Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Amazon Basics laundry detergent is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in our homes, and today, we're diving deep into whether this budget-friendly option truly lives up to the hype and can effectively tackle your toughest stains while keeping your clothes looking vibrant and fresh, all without breaking the bank, making it a compelling choice for everyday cleaning needs. Number 5. Amazon Basics Collapsible Storage Cubes, 6-pack. Tired of clutter? Introducing a set of 6 fabric storage cubes designed to keep your home neat and tidy. Moving things around is a breeze. Each cube features a convenient sewn-in handle for easy carrying. Crafted from a fabric that's both strong and lightweight, these bins are built to last while allowing for air circulation. Use them as standalone bins or slide them into organizer units. They offer flexible storage for any room. These cubes are ideal for organizing a wide range of belongings, helping you declutter effectively. Each cube can support up to 5 pounds, providing a reliable solution for your storage needs. What we like? This set of 6 storage cubes is perfect for decluttering any space. They are sturdy, lightweight, and feature handles for easy carrying. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to organize your closets, shelves, or even your car, these are a great choice. They are ideal for anyone who needs to quickly tidy up or store seasonal items. What people say. The basket is sturdy and holds a lot of laundry. It's easy to carry around, even when full. The design is simple and functional, fitting well in my laundry room. Number 4. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fragrance-Free. Introducing Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets. Experience a powerful clean that's gentle on your skin and tough on stains. Our fragrance-free formula is perfect for sensitive skin. Enjoy a clean wash without any added scents or irritants. These eco-friendly sheets are a revolutionary liquidless soap. They dissolve completely, leaving no plastic waste behind. Designed for convenience, these sheets are incredibly travel-friendly. Take them anywhere without worrying about spills or leaks. Don't let tough stains win. Our detergent sheets work effectively in both hot and cold cycles to tackle odors and grime. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful cleaning. That's a full 2 months of laundry, simplified and sustainable. What we like? Experience a new way to do laundry with these eco-friendly detergent sheets. They are fragrance-free, making them ideal for sensitive skin, and their compact, liquidless design is perfect for travel. If you're trying to reduce plastic waste or need a convenient laundry solution for a dorm or RV, these sheets are an excellent alternative to traditional detergents. What people say. The basket is sturdy and holds a good amount of laundry. It's lightweight and easy to carry, even when full. The handles are comfortable and make transporting clothes to and from the laundry room simple. Number 3. Amazon Basics Foldable Clothes Drying Rack. Introducing the Amazon Basics Foldable Clothes Drying Rack. It's designed for efficient indoor air drying, helping your clothes last longer. Save energy and be gentle on your garments with this rack. It provides a simple solution for air drying your laundry indoors. Crafted from durable, lightweight steel with a white finish, this rack is built to resist rust and mildew for long-lasting use. Its accordion-style design allows it to fold flat easily. This makes it convenient for carrying and storing when not in use. Despite its compact storage, it offers ample drying space and can support up to 32 pounds of laundry. Perfect for any home. What we like? Save energy and keep your clothes looking their best with this portable drying rack. Its durable, rust-resistant steel and foldable design make it perfect for small spaces. If you prefer air drying your delicate items or live in an apartment with limited drying space, this rack offers a practical and efficient solution. It's also great for anyone looking to reduce their environmental impact. What people say. The basket is lightweight and easy to carry. It holds a good amount of laundry and is sturdy. The design is simple and functional, fitting well in small spaces. Number 2. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a cleaner, simpler way to do laundry. These innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the waste. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every wash. Our hypoallergenic formula is tough on stains but gentle on fabrics and skin. Go green with our plastic-free design. Perfect for home, dorms, travel, camping, and even hand washing. Say goodbye to spills and messes. Each pack provides 160 pre-measured loads, ensuring you always have enough detergent on hand. Experience convenience and efficiency like never before. Our liquid-less sheets dissolve completely, leaving no residue or waste behind. It's the smart, sustainable choice for modern living. Formulated for sensitive skin, these sheets are hypoallergenic and free from harsh chemicals. Get a brilliant clean you can feel good about. What we like? Get a generous supply of laundry detergent sheets with this 160-count pack. They offer a fresh scent and are hypoallergenic, making them suitable for most users. If you want a long-lasting, eco-conscious laundry option that's easy to use at home or on the go, these sheets are a fantastic value. They are perfect for families or anyone who does frequent laundry and wants to minimize waste. What people say. The basket is sturdy and holds a lot of laundry. It folds flat for easy storage when not in use. The handles make it convenient to carry from room to room. Number 1. Amazon Basics Fresh Scent Laundry Detergent Packs. Introducing Amazon Basics Laundry Detergent Packs. Simplify your laundry routine with these convenient and effective packs. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every wash. These packs deliver a powerful clean, tackling tough stains with ease. Designed for high-efficiency machines, they dissolve completely even in cold water. This means a better clean and less energy used. Get more done with a generous 120 count. One pack is all you need for a perfectly clean load. Make laundry day easier and your clothes fresher. Experience the difference with Amazon Basics. What we like? Simplify your laundry routine with these pre-measured detergent packs. They are designed to dissolve effectively even in cold water and are compatible with machines, ensuring a clean wash every time. If you're looking for a no-mess, easy-to-use detergent that works well in all conditions and saves you time, these packs are an excellent choice. They are ideal for busy individuals or households that prioritize convenience and efficiency. What people say. The capacity is large enough for a family of 4. It is very sturdy and durable, and the wheels make it easy to move around. The lid fits well and keeps odors contained. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.